Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel D3 Health Through Natural Ways. During this pandemic for last 1 year, we have no clue that how to deal with. We get many videos from YouTube, WhatsApp, but we get confused. Which video will be helpful and which is not. But God says when there is a problem, definitely there is a solution. In our country like Canada, we have very low temperature. So we get affected by normal flu, cold, cough, and we cannot decide that whether we have COVID-19 or normal flu cold. So let me give you one simple natural remedies in which you have to perform simple exercise nearly for 15 minutes and one natural drink, or you can say healthy drink. Whenever you go out or you have to deal with people, then after coming to home, hand your wash and mouth, then immediately take hot water steam for nearly 2-3 minutes. You have to inhale steam from nose and exhale from mouth, and inhale from mouth and exhale from nose. We get affected only by nose or mouth, and hot water steam will definitely help to prevent us. Second thing, whenever you drink coffee or tea, use 2-3 each piece of ginger and pinch of pepper powder, black pepper, and boil in the water, then make tea or coffee. It must be strong with either ginger or black pepper. Definitely it will remove your chest cough within a week. Now I am giving you 3 simple exercise. One called slow inhalation, fast exhalation. You have to inhale and fill your stomach like balloon, and then give one stroke. See, perform this exercise for 2-3 minutes. Second exercise, first you have to fill your stomach, then give stroke to your stomach. Don't try to inhale, it will automatically inhale by your nose. You have to concentrate on exhale. See, this exercise you have to perform for 2-3 minutes. And last one called cleaning nasal tract. In India we call Nadi Shodhan. You have to inhale from left nostril and exhale from right. Then inhale from right nostril and exhale from left. Deep breathing will definitely help you. And let me tell you, if you affected by cold very common, this exercise will remove your cold and cough within a 15 days. And you can perform this exercise in a day 2-3 times. And definitely whenever you go out, you have to take steam, hot water steam. Whenever you drink tea or coffee, use maximum of ginger and pinch of black pepper, and these three simple exercise. I am very sure that this will remove your cough from your chest completely within a 15 days, and I am very glad if you inform me by comments, and your suggestion definitely welcome. Thanks for watching my channel.